Okay, so we're just gonna start with the eyeball. We're gonna start with the front and then just kind of work our way back. So to start out, this is the cornea. I kind of already cut it up like it said in the dissection. It's the covering that allows light to enter the eye. And then we have the aqueous humor, that's a clear fluid filling between the lens and the cornea. Well, mine fell out and it's this stuff right here. There's a little bit left in here, but not much. It's all right there, basically. And then we have the lens, which is a really hard circular object. It's a bioconvex structure that focuses the light that comes in through the cornea and the pupil. Then we have the iris right in here, kind of is in two parts. It's this little piece added with the rest of the black right in here. And then the iris regulates the size of the pupil. When we move farther back, we have the hyoid fauces, and that is in between the eye, right behind the iris, just right at the bottom, and that is an indentation that supports the lens and helps it hold its shape. And then in the back part of the eyeball, we have the retina, which has all the rods and what you call it, rods. I can't think of the other word right now, but all the rods in it back here. And then from the retina, right in between that is a carotid, which is a dark sheet of tissue between the retina and scalar. And then the scalar is the outer portion of the eyeball that is made out of connective tissue. And when we go back, this is the optic nerve right here. And then you can pinch it and see all the different nerves that run in it. And then also this darker blue, silver, like shiny blue. And the back part of the eyeball is the tapetum lucidum. And it just lies right between the retina and the scalar. And if you move this, you can see where it's attached, and that's where the blind spot is. And the blind spot is where the receptor cells coverage to form the optic nerve, and then the optic nerve is obviously right behind it because it connects with the blind spot.